So we have an old code here, which is not elegantly looking and also prone to typographical error since it is only accepting string value. So our goal will be to simplify and eliminate those kind of errors. So first, let's create the selection. So public, so enum. So we can now add the selection, new, edit, and delete. Then next, we can create down the variable or the property. So transaction modes. So let's just test. So basically, we can just do something like this. Transaction mode is equal to. So is it cool, right? And also, we can create a getter and setter. So get. So let's just add a private variable. And whenever the transaction mode is new, we will execute the execute new method. Same as with the edit and delete. So why does we need to add a getter and setter? So because whenever we change the transaction mode, it gives us an insurance that those methods execute new, execute edit, and execute delete will be executed. And now we're done.